Black holes are the universe's ultimate monsters, able to swallow stars, bend time, and grow without end. So, how large can they really get? And what is the biggest black hole of them all? Let's find out together. Black holes are the universe's ultimate monsters, able to swallow stars, bend time, and grow without end. Unlike planets or suns, they have no size limit, expanding endlessly under the right conditions. Different kinds of black holes form depending on how much matter collapses, from the tiniest theoretical ones to the largest objects in existence. So, how big can they get? To find out, we'll start with the smallest and climb to the giants. At the bottom are primordial black holes. If they exist, they would be older than atoms, forming in the chaos after the Big Bang when dense pockets collapsed. A primordial black hole with the mass of a mountain would be smaller than a proton, while one with Earth's mass could fit in your hand. They've never been observed. The black holes we know for certain are stellar black holes, born when massive stars collapse or neutron stars collide. Even the smallest pack several suns into a space no wider than a city. One has 2.7 times the mass of the sun, but spans only 16 kilometers. Some steal from companion stars, glowing millions of times brighter than the sun, as their stolen matter swirls inward. Others merge, shaking space-time and creating new black holes over 100 times heavier than the sun. But then comes a mystery. Beyond about 150 solar masses, black holes leap straight to millions or billions. The universe isn't old enough for steady feeding and mergers to explain them. Something else must have given these giants a head start. One theory is quasi-stars, hypothetical titans of the early cosmos. They may have grown thousands of times the sun's mass, their cores collapsing into black holes while still forming. Unlike modern stars, they could have stayed stable, with the black hole feeding steadily while radiation held the star together. Over millions of years, these seeds might grow thousands of times heavier than the sun, eventually becoming the supermassive black holes we see today at galactic centers. Our Milky Way hosts Sagittarius, a star, with 4 million solar masses in a space smaller than a giant star. We know it's there because nearby stars whip around it at astonishing speeds, orbiting an invisible anchor. But Sagittarius A star is small compared to the true titans. Supermassive black holes can weigh billions of suns, ejecting jets of plasma that stretch across galaxies. The black hole in Messier 87 is 6.5 billion solar masses and was the first ever imaged. Its shadow large enough to engulf our entire solar system. Even larger are ultramassive black holes. The one in galaxy OJ287 has 18 billion solar masses, and even has another supermassive black hole orbiting it. And then there's TON 618, an almost unimaginable 66 billion solar masses. Its event horizon is so vast that light takes a week to cross it, and if it sat in our solar system, it would swallow everything out past Pluto. Since we see TON 618 as it was 10 billion years ago, it may be even larger now. Black holes may outlast stars, galaxies, and perhaps the universe itself, growing endlessly as the last giants of creation. But before we finish, a reality check. As awe-inspiring as these numbers are, we can't truly rank black holes like trading cards. We've only measured a handful, and every figure comes with uncertainties. Sizes are often estimated with the Schwarzschild radius, which assumes non-rotating black holes that don't really exist. The truth is Messier, TON 618 may not be the biggest, and there may be black holes far larger than we've yet to discover. So, while this script smooths over details for clarity, the reality is filled with unknowns. Still, that's the wonder. Even with all we don't know, black holes remain the most mysterious, terrifying, and fascinating objects in the universe. And as our tools improve, we may uncover monsters far beyond even our boldest imaginations. Please like and subscribe for more.